Young banyan plants are very good for amateur bonsai growers and also to professionals. And to get a nice young plant like this is a nice way to start. First you clean up the trunk and enjoy the natural curve of the trunk. This is almost 1.5 year old plant. You can see the leaf size big. First thing you should do is, before even repotting, after cleaning up the trunk, you wire it. About wiring, many times I have told you in my videos. Now you don't have to wire it very tight or very close, because the plant is young, it's going to grow very fast and the wire can cause easily indentation. And you have to tie the wire in a direction where you want to twist the plant. That is very important. Always hold the wire and bend at least 2 parts of the wire, and I can make it into different nice curvy shape. Don't worry about the conventional styles. Watch the plant and carefully plan for your style. And as the plant grows with more branches, more foliage, then probably you may change the style. But initially, instead of chopping off the plant at very lower height, you can do this. And big leaves, it's better to cut, but don't pull off the leaves. Chop off, leaving the small pedicle of the leaf intact, because there is a grievous bud which can grow into a new branch. We want to encourage the plant to grow many branches, and do not repot so early. Let it grow in this growing pot. I am sure with this you will enjoy more and more wiring. All the best.